Our chefs are on a break, but we're still in a festive feast mode. And with the Gleaner 2019 cookbook, we want you to eat, drink and be merry throughout the holidays with our tailored for Christmas recipes. In case you missed it, here are a few.
Joining us today are Sanique and Jonathan. Welcome.
Thank you. Hello, Terry. Hello, Andre.
Thank you very much. Glad to be here.
Cold. So we're going to do a cold beverage right now. We're going to make an iced tea. We're using our sorrel and lemongrass. Now, what I did is that I have some warm water here. And the only reason why I warm the water is just to try and help me to dissolve the sugar. So I have my brown sugar and my granulated sugar. What I actually do when I'm at home and make this is I actually pour warm water into a bottle, like a old cranberry bottle or juice bottle, and then I just
shake it up. Right.
shake, and then it helps me to dissolve the sugar. Come on, Dre, shake.
I'll go with you. Come, shake.
Yeah. Thank you. You sit down.
This is Christmas all over again.
All right. So if you don't have one of these infuser things here, you'd have to worry about it, right? Because we can just use a strain and strain off everything. So we can just put it in the bottle, the same bottle, and then we just strain it off at the end.
Okay.
So Andre's juicing the limes for me here. And then I'm going to open up my tea bags here and just stick them in this fancy little thing right here. Not to worry if you don't have it. As I said, we can just strain it off. Now, depending on how strong you want it, you can use less or more tea bags. So right now I'm just going with what I feel like. Anybody want to tell me to stop?
No, just continue. We like it strong.
All right. And then we're going to just stick a piece of ginger in there as well. Let me just pour this in here.
All right, so pour the hot water. Okay.
See how my sugar is dissolved, right? It's just to make life a little easier. And we're done. And we're gonna just pop this in the fridge and leave this overnight. And I have my bottle that I carried from home with some that I made yesterday. So as you see, I dumped everything in my bottle right here. The ginger, tea bags, everything. And I'm just straining it off. You see how it comes out to a nice rich color, the sorrel color?
Yes.
So this is my nice, completely infused iced tea. And we can have this at any time of the day. For those of us who don't want any hot drinks in the morning, hot beverages. And we use our Caribbean Dreams tea bags.
Thank you very much.
Please.
Ready?
Yes.
Set. Go. Oh, wow.
Wow, very nice.
Really good.
Yeah.
Good. This is awesome.
Today we were making a dish that many of us go to restaurants and order. It's actually one of the most popular dishes at my restaurant. And lots of people go out there and buy it, but you don't know how to make it. So today I'm going to share with you my secret ingredients to making the best jerk chicken pasta. But first, let me introduce our guest, Ray Williams. Hi.
Hi.
Welcome.
Thanks. I'm excited.
You like pasta?
I do love pasta.
Fantastic. You want to help us?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. All right.
But I must warn you, my cooking skills aren't.
Really?
I love to eat.
That
but
is
cook.
not true. I have seen your Instagram. You are a chef.
All right.
Forward.
No, him just
I just
load
had
you
to
up and
blow
just
her
call you out there. Oh
to.
my goodness. But one of the things we're trying to do on Tailored for Taste is trying to, people who really don't like to cook, we're trying to show them that it's really not that hard.
All right.
So we're making a jerk chicken pasta. Halim, can you get me the jerk chicken
No problem.
seasoning? Can I get a spoon? And Ray, can you just put 2 teaspoons of this in on my chicken for me? I'm going to put some oil in my pot.
So 2 of these?
Yes, please.
All right.
All right. And while
I got you.
you can just use the spoon and stir it up, while Ray is doing that for me, I am going to add some fresh thyme and rosemary to my pot here, right? And just get that all salted. Now I always add my herbs first before I put my meat in. Can I get another spoon, please, honey?
Sure.
I always put my herbs in first because I want them, yes please, I want them to kind of start to cook before I add my meat. And when I do it this way, it ensures that my herbs are not hard and you don't bite into some thick, heavy grains. All right. I'm gonna add half of my onions to this because I love onions, and so I always want to have some left back to put in at the end, so I have that bite. I like when I'm cooking, I love to add colors, right? I think about flavors, textures, and colors.
All right.
So I'm gonna add my chicken to
Remember
this
that one.
Yeah, man.
and allow that to cook. And I'm gonna just keep stirring it until my chicken is nice and almost fully cooked. So my chicken is basically cooked, and I'm gonna get some heavy cream, and I'm using the cooking cream, right? Because it's already thick and rich, and it will just all that flavor. And
Okay, I have a
goodness.
question. Because I always see in recipes that say heavy cream. What is heavy cream? What do you use it for? What does it do? Is it just adding thickness? Like how does heavy cream
Right,
work?
heavy cream is thicker than actual milk, right?
Okay.
So it'll reduce a lot faster. It'll be creamier, half of the work.
All right, so we're gonna just leave that here and allow that to get a little thick. And so we're gonna just let that cook down for a bit. All right, so we're almost finished. Usually when I know my pasta is ready to go is that I know my cream changes color. Starts to look a little, orangish, yellowish in color. That is when I know all my flavors have nicely combined and we're ready to eat. So you want to add my onions, the rest of the onions for me?
All the rest?
All of it.
Okay.
And the pasta now. Let's see how much of this can we use to fill up this pot. I really just want different textures in here. So I have a nice firm al dente penny pasta because everybody can make pasta from scratch.
What is it, al dente?
Al dente.
Go on again. How'd that go?
Al dente.
Al dente.
Al dente. It just means firm to the bite, right? And so you could, if you wanted, you could add some carrots to this, some sweet peppers,
The famous green sweet pepper in an Alfredo.
No, don't green sweet pepper. I use colored sweet peppers like yellow, red, just to add some color.
Rasta pasta.
All right, and we're done.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome, ma'am.
All right. This is proper.
Napkin in
Fine
the lap.
dining at Tailored for Taste. Is that the happy dance?
Oh yes. This is my eating dance.
The pasta dance.
My friends tease me all the time. I'll eat and go like this if it's good.